This was literally where I found out I had COVID, and now I no longer have COVID. Hello everyone and good morning. It is currently 8:20. It is Thursday. Happy Thursday. I wanted to vlog a couple days in my life because I just want to get back into vlogging, and not that really anything exciting is gonna happen. I am going to the Jays game for like the very first time on Saturday, so super excited about that. And then my parents come back from Calgary also on Saturday. Tomorrow I want to do like a deep clean of the house because if you missed it, I caught COVID and I just want to like disinfect the entire house and do a deep clean. Yesterday I worked my first like full 9 to 5 shift, and 8 hours is a really long time. Like I finished my work around like 2 and then I just kind of like sat there. Welcome to a couple days in my life. I love filming these because I just get to like film like little snippets and then put it together. I'm trying to vlog like literally all summer. I'm going to eat my breakfast and then start working at 9. Hello friends, it has been a bit. Ooh, the sun has finally come out. When I started this vlog and when I woke up this morning, it was gloomy as fuck, but now it's beautiful. I've just been working for the whole day since I last talked to you, so it's been busy. Hello guys, I am literally the worst vlogger to ever exist because I went to the mall and forgot to vlog. In my defense, I was the one driving, and when I'm driving I'm like very focused on the road. I did get something. I got them from Call It Spring. They are the Kiana heels and I'm in a 6.5. They are just like heels. This part is like a suede kind of material and it's like more like squared off, and then the heel is like this like shiny material. Don't know if you guys could tell. And then it's like strappy, but it's like open. I will now be taking off my makeup, getting into my pajamas and going to bed. Yes, my boss just gave me a half day. Thank you. I will be sitting on the couch and doing nothing. Hi friends, so I ended work for the day literally at like 1 o'clock because I was given a half day, and now I am about to make some miso soup. For lunch I'm going to have some fried rice that was like leftover from yesterday, and I decided that I wanted miso soup. I wish we had like seaweed or something. Oh, I do have tofu. Can you eat tofu raw, or do you have to like cook it? I'm assuming you don't because it's literally like soy. This is a dumb question. It said yes, so I'm gonna do it. And then the other thing I'm eating is just like fried rice. So this is lunch. I'm also just gonna watch YouTube because now is my time to catch up on my so many YouTube videos that I missed when I was in school, and I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. Maybe read, maybe go somewhere. Hello everyone, I am back from my outing. Want to do a haul for y'all. We went and got Kettleman's bagels. Oh no, my sister. Oh, we also went to Farm Boy and I got tzatziki because it's literally like so good. And my sister opened the car door and it splattered all over my driveway. So here's a picture of that. I also got on my finger now because it was on the bag. But we got Kettleman's bagels, which are basically kind of like Montreal style bagels. So good. We got the garlic, the onion, and then the all dress. Literally the best flavors. But I also went to Sephora and I got, this is the glycolic acid 7% toning solution. The reason why I got this is because I saw on TikTok that you can brighten dark spots, and it also helps with like if you have a dry scalp, which I don't have right now because it's summer, but it always happens in the winter. Now we are gonna make dinner. I think we're having a HelloFresh. No, It's chef's plate. We are having the pesto beef burgers with roasted tomatoes and potato wedges, even though we're not going to be eating potato wedges because we don't feel like having potato. We actually bought Caesar salad. Hi friends, good freaking morning. It is currently 8:45. It is Saturday. Today, or at least this morning, is like a big cleaning day. I'm gonna disinfect the entire house because I had COVID, so I'm gonna disinfect the entire house and clean everything before my parents get home. Today is a pretty gloomy day. Hopefully it doesn't actually rain because my sister and I are going to the Jays game. Fun fact, this is actually my first Jays game ever. Have never been to one. I think the only like sporting event, is that what it's called, that I've ever been to were just like Raptors games.